Hey Jesse, did you see that car automatically stop before it hit the scooter?
Yeah, that's possible because of 5G. 5G is the latest generation of mobile cellular communications that works by sending encoded data through very small wavelengths. This millimeter wavelength technology will let 5G use small cells that are installed on existing phone lines or in buildings rather than using traditionally large cell towers. 5G will have the ability to support many more devices in a smaller area, lower energy consumption, and enhance speed, scalability, and connectivity.
That's so interesting. I was actually reading a market update, and it stated that it's actually going to expand the telecommunications industry by two main ways. The foremost way is by a growth in wireless data consumption, and the second is a growth in connectivity between devices. And in essence, that is the underlying theme that will allow the Internet of Things to become a prominent factor within our future. The reason that it's going to expand the market size is because big players like Verizon and AT&T have allocated respectively $35 billion and $40 billion in capital expenditure to actually expand this 5G infrastructure. And what this is doing is that it's going to drive out the competition of competitors whose sales revenue is less than $100 million. But in reality, due to the economies of scale, when the price of 5G starts going down, smaller competitors will be able to compete more in the market, and 5G will become more of a commodity.
A smart city is the culmination of the Internet of Things. Just to give an example, in a smart city, cars would be able to communicate with each other, other pedestrians, traffic lights, and street lights, which would enhance energy efficiency and citizen safety. A smart city is estimated to require millions of devices to be connected to mobile networks. Because of this, no current technology we have would be able to support the rise of a smart city. This is where 5G comes into the picture. 5G is the only network that will be able to guarantee the viability, scalability, and sustainability of a smart city.
5G communication saves energy and reduces the association with reduced operational expenses for mobile network operators. The energy efficiency associated with mobile network operations also increases battery life and can bring forth a reduction of power consumption as well. 5G partners with transmitter and receiver systems, which allows connectivity and higher throughput for many users across the nation. Energy efficiency will increase that hybrid beamforming architecture, in which gives a better performance than digital architecture performance, which requires 2 times less power consumption. Another benefit of energy efficiency 5G provides the community is the support of machine learning, hybrid beaming, device-to-device communication with alleviation of self-interface.
5G communications will give consumers access to drastically larger bandwidth and increased communications and download speeds. This higher bandwidth will lead to lower latency, meaning that there will be less delay time when loading websites and faster communications between devices. This will open the door for previously hindered technologies like augmented and virtual reality. Average consumers will benefit most from increased network speeds. With 3G, it took hours to download a movie on your phone. With 4G, it took between 30 minutes and an hour. With 5G, it will take only seconds to download anything you would ever need.
It's taking so long to download this movie. God, I hate 4G. Wish there was something better.
Bro, are you tired of 4G?
Yes.
Get 5G.